Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula, the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And occasionally I sprinkle in little lifestyle vlogs. Welcome to I Turned 50, Not Invisible. Here's how I style revealing outfits with class.
Giddy up, giddy up. That's that ball drop.
Before we get into the video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like this video, leave me a comment, I love the comments, and share the video. Sharing means caring. All right, now let's get into it. As you all know, your girl is 50 and fabulous. Since turning 50, this fashion thing, I've been in my head about a lot of outfits when I get ready to wear them. Number one, I start letting society get to me and I get to thinking, okay, am I too old to wear this? But when you turn 50, honey, you're not dead. You're not invisible. You're very much so here, like me. And I am a fashion girl to the core, okay? I love fashion. I love to look good and I love wearing cute outfits. However, I realized I am 50. I have 5 kids. I have a grandson, and it's just certain things I'm gonna wear what I want, but I am going to wear them differently. So let's get right into this video. Now, before I get all the way in, honey, I am not wearing a body shaper, okay? It is hard enough putting the clothes on, taking them off, and then having to switch body shapers, because if you have not seen my video, make sure you watch it. I have a body shaper for each style of clothing, so I don't have time today. I just want to show you how I wear revealing outfits, and then that's another thing. Revealing, it depends on the person and it depends on who's wearing it or who's looking as far as being revealing. When I say revealing outfits, this is how I perceive revealing outfits, all right? Let's begin with what I'm wearing, and that's why I said I'm not wearing a body shaper, because y'all know, problem area. So no, I don't have on a body shaper. However, y'all know I love a jumpsuit. Jumpsuits are one and done, easy breezy outfits. Let me let you all know now, these pieces, I shopped my closet to bring you this video. Most of the items are old, so I don't have links. I'm sorry. Now, the reason I chose this is because this one piece is fitted, honey. And when you have body, you know, the people perceive you differently. They look at you and they're like, why is she wearing that? Either they feel like you're too big or an area of your body is not up to par to be wearing something like that. But honey, if you feel good in what you're wearing, it doesn't matter what anyone else says or thinks, okay? I mean, the body ain't bodying like it used to, but it's still body. Now, depending on where I'm going with this outfit, I couldn't wear it like this. I have to layer it. This is how my fashion brain thinks. I would put something over this so that it can look a little classy. I could still show body, but it would just be with a little class. Let me show you. See her? She's mesh, see-through. When I say mesh, that means see-through. I would take this, gave it a touch of class, honey. I added this mesh cover up. You still get the look. You still see that I have on something fitted underneath, but then I can walk. I don't have to worry about people just staring at my behind, or I don't have to feel self-conscious walking into a restaurant. I love to brunch. So in my head, I'm thinking brunch. It's like I say, from the front, you can see that I am wearing something that's fitted to the body, but like I said, I can walk and you can still see what's underneath. This is look number 1. Next up is this super cute outfit, y'all, that I have been so thirsty to wear. Now, this is why this outfit is revealing. Of course, the jeans, not the revealing piece of clothing, but this top, do y'all see this top? Check her out.
Spin it, spin it. Spin it, spin it, spin it, spin it, spin it.
Okay, This is the revealing piece of clothing. She came from Fashion Nova, but y'all, this top is so old. I actually featured this top in a try-on haul like years ago, and I've never worn her. Let me just say something. I am not that girl that do the boob tape and will still put this on. Like, I can't do that. I found these tops that were featured in my Amazon try-on haul, my first Amazon try-on haul, and they come in so many different colors. So my light bulb went off. I was like, it comes in red. And I knew this top had red in it. So I ordered it to see, because in my head, I'm like, I can wear that tube top underneath that halter top. Look at this. Look how revealing this is. Without this tube top underneath, baby, all my boobs are out. And look at this. I'm talking about the front, but look at the back. Now, the back is not so bad, but honey, if these ties were to come loose and this thing would end up open, if you don't have something on underneath, baby, you would just be showing all your goods. And I just don't have time for that. I wouldn't want that. So this is how I would wear a halter top, a revealing halter top with class without revealing too much. And I feel like it's really stylish. This would be a cute date night look, or a date with your husband or whoever your bae is. Honey, super cute. I love it. Revealing outfit number 3. This is a super cute date night outfit. And let me tell you something. She is super special because this piece comes from The Boutique. And if you don't know, The Boutique is my baby. She's still on hiatus and we're going on like 2 years now. I'm still trying to figure out what to do, how to do it, but I am so ready to bring her back. But this is one of the pieces that was featured in my birthday collection back in, I think, 24. She is mesh, see-through. I don't know if you can see, but she is completely see-through. And that's why I said this is revealing outfit number 3. Underneath, I have a one piece. I'm gonna show you. I already told y'all I don't have on a body shaper, but I just put on this one piece. Ooh, I don't wanna cover up the mic, but I just put on this one piece short set that I got from Shein, and she is good to go. You're still giving a little sass, you're giving a little pizzazz, but honey, you're keeping it classy. We have come to the last look of the day. I don't know where I would wear her. She's cute, I like it. I love short shorts, y'all, but I don't have the legs to wear them without something over them or something underneath. If you have been watching me for a while or following me, you would have known that my legs, I've told y'all in vlogs, like a few vlogs ago, I actually wore some short shorts, but I had to put a pair of footed tights underneath. And anytime I wear short shorts, depending on where I'm going, I'm either putting fishnet hose underneath, regular footed tights underneath, or in this case, I'm putting something over it. I have a whole lot of cellulite. My legs are just not smooth. They're not those pretty toned looking legs. I feel a little bit more confident with something over them. And in this case, it's this mesh see-through maxi skirt. I don't know about you, but I love this look. She can be dressed up or down. She doesn't have to go with heels, but I put her on with heels because for some reason, this is how I want to wear it. So here are the revealing pieces. I don't like wearing a crop top without wearing high-waisted anything. I'm not doing that because I don't have a flat stomach. So to still get the look, I could show a little bit of skin, but it's not super revealing and my stomach is not overly exposed hanging because, like I stated, I don't have a flat stomach. She's not a high-waisted skirt. I pulled her up. Nevertheless, I can wear this crop top with the shorts. I can wear the mesh skirt over it, so it's covering my legs, covering the short shorts that's exposing a lot of my legs. And I'm about to turn around so you can see the back shot. I'm not gonna stay too long because, honey, like I stated, the legs are not smooth, but I feel confident enough to wear this look. And I feel like although it's a revealing look, it's revealing with class with the mesh skirt over the short shorts. So what do you think? Tell me your thoughts in the comments. All right, girl, if you are here now, I want to thank you for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to tell a friend all about the Boutique Baddies YouTube channel. Share the video with all of your fashion girls. Remember, we're trying to make it to 15K. And I can hit 15K in a day if you all would help me out, because we're at 12.6. So it is not far-fetched. If you don't know, with God, all things are possible. And I want 15K before December 31st. I know I said by December 31st. Hey, that's what I want, and I need y'all help. So help your girl get there. And honey, I will see each one of you in the next video. Adios.
That's that keep going. That's that never stop. Giddy up, giddy.